Today we're going to look at the fifth practice test, passage 3, one of the science passages. This passage is adapted from Brian Walsh, Whole Food Blues, Why Organic Agriculture May Not Be So Sustainable, written in 2012 by Time Incorporated, or copyright 2012. Number 22, as used in line 14, simple most nearly means A, straightforward. In line 14, the passage states that industrial agriculture has become incredibly efficient on a simple land-to-food basis. In this context, simple suggests something basic or straightforward. 23. According to the passage, a significant attribute of conventional agriculture is its ability to B, maximize the output of cultivated land. The passage clearly states that the conventional agriculture is very efficient, especially when compared to organic farming. Organic farming yields 25% fewer crops on average than conventional agriculture, and in a study, organic farming delivered a lower yield for every crop type. It can therefore be understood from the passage that conventional agriculture does a good job maximizing the output of the land that is farmed. 24 and 25 are paired questions. 24. Which choice best reflects the perspective of the environmentalists on conventional agriculture? A. It produces inferior fruits and vegetables and is detrimental to the environment. This was found in B, lines 28 through 31. The passage makes it clear that most environmentalists believe conventional agriculture produces food that is not as healthy as food produced through organic farming, and that it is more harmful to the environment than organic farming is. Many environmentalists have embraced organic food as better for the planet, and healthier and tastier too, than the stuff produced by agricultural corporations. 26 and 27 were also paired questions. 26. Which statement best expresses a relationship between organic farming and conventional farming that is presented in the passage? C. Both use nitrogen to encourage plant growth, but the nitrogen used in conventional farming comes from synthetic sources. The passage makes it clear that while both conventional and organic farming need nitrogen for plant growth, conventional farming uses synthetic fertilizers and organic does not. Conventional agriculture makes use of 171 million metric tons of synthetic fertilizer each year, and all that nitrogen enables much faster plant growth than the slower release of nitrogen from the compost or cover crops used in organic farming. This is found in D, lines 61 through 65. 28. According to Foley, an ideal global agricultural system, line 80, B, considers multiple factors in the selection of farming techniques. The passage states that the authors of the study comparing conventional and organic farming have come to the conclusion that an ideal global agriculture system would borrow the best from both systems. The quote from Jonathan Foley in lines 84 through 97 indicates that this ideal system would take into consideration many different factors, including the nutrition and calories offered by specific types of foods, as well as different geographic, economic, and social needs. 29. In line 88, sheer most nearly means D, pure. The passage states that conventional agriculture can be superior to organic farming in terms of producing sheer calories. In this context, sheer most nearly means pure. The passage is referring to the pure number of calories delivered by foods. 30. Which statement is best supported by the information provided in Figure 1? B. The organic yield as a percentage of conventional yield is similar for cereals and all crops. Figure 1 shows that the organic yield as a percentage of conventional yield is similar for cereals and all crops, with both yielding roughly 75%. 31. Which of the following claims is supported by Figure 2? D. The organically grown species represented have lower yields than their conventionally grown counterparts do. Every organically grown species represented in Figure 2 produces a smaller yield than do their conventional counterparts. All of the organically grown species are within a range of approximately 60 to 90% of the conventional yield.